That's right, it was indeed a phenomenal night. Come with me to Dalmahoy Christmas party slash disco. It was an amazing, the most amazing Christmas night I've ever been to. First of all, outfit check. You know the drill, and there's the dance. I love my outfit dance. Anytime you see me dance, know I'm feeling myself and I'm loving my outfit. That's the look. The dress was 2 sizes bigger than me, but I love this dress, and that was the last one in stock, so I had to buy it. I did a photo with my husband, then we headed to the venue. Beautiful, picturesque, castle-like. Of course, it's grand. Even Joe Biden stayed here when he visited Scotland. Felt like a queen in my castle. Did some photos, then we went in. It took us upstairs first of all, and that's me just headed upstairs. I was loving the decor. Had to take a couple of photos, you know how it goes. And then we got here, and we had to check on the board for our table. Yes, we found our name on our table. First, some welcome drink. Cheers, so Merry Christmas season and a lovely night. Then we headed downstairs and we were headed to the hall. I don't know why I did that, just touched the tree for no reason. That's us at our table, popped our Christmas cracker, and the guy came up, put my napkin on my leg and my husband's, how posh. Anyway, gave us some lovely tomato soup. You see how much we loved it. We finished it. It was really tasty. We met some lovely ladies. My husband was cracking me up at this point. Food was typical roast, but it was nice, very tasty. Not as nice as the Bistro 19 one in my next video, but I did enjoy it. And got some more drinks, and then pudding. I loved the pudding. It was really nice. I'm a sweet treat girl. More drinks, and at this point I was ready to dance the night away. Yep, I went to the dance floor and started dancing. I was having so much fun. At this point, my husband decided to join me. Why not? When you see something good, you have to partake. Anyway, he came and we danced, and danced. Meanwhile, while you're here, have you pressed the plus sign on my TikTok? If you haven't, please do so. Support us by clicking the follow button and subscribing to our YouTube channel as well if you're there. Thank you. Yeah, so that's us just dancing. I'll let you enjoy our dance moves. Anyway, it was brilliant. The DJ was on point, back to back, good music, but some old school were in there, some classic music, some typical Scottish music, and yeah, just general fun time. Nothing much to see here, just two lovebirds enjoying themselves and the music on the dance floor with no care in the world. We didn't even care whether anybody was looking. Nobody really cared. Everybody was having a blast. You can see the ladies, and later on loads of guys came as well. That's us, still dancing, laughing, making fun of people, gossiping. It was a good night, and we still gave on long. And that's Hobby still in the show. Everybody surrounded him and we're hailing him. He can leave for that kind of thing. So then he came back to me safe and sound. Then I kept dancing with the ladies. We just met them, but they were so lovely. One thing with me, I love a good dance. I can dance whether I'm dancing with anybody or dancing all by myself. I don't have a care in the world. I just enjoy dancing. Alcohol or no alcohol, I love a dance. I think as a Nigerian in me, we're just happy people. We just love music. We just love dancing. Anyway, I kept going, and then these ladies just surrounded me and started hailing me. I was like, what's going on? And we met them earlier, a few of them on our table, but some of them I didn't know, and they were just like, hey, and I kept. And this was a ladies' song, so it was only ladies on the dance floor at this time. It was such a brilliant night. Have you been to Dalmahoy Christmas party before? Let me know your experience in the comment section. If you haven't, would you like to go? It was a blast. Nobody's paying me for this, but I enjoyed myself, so I thought to share. Make sure you follow, subscribe, like. Till next time, keep living, loving, and laughing. And do have a Merry Christmas when it comes. Thanks for watching. Bye. Love you.